Traders, welcome back. Today is Thursday, the 2nd of November, in case you weren't sure. And as usual, guys, we're going to look back at yesterday's trades. We're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. Let's start with yesterday, guys. And as you know, it was all about waiting for the Fed interest rate decision. So this recap will not take long, yeah? Because we were just looking at the NASDAQ really yesterday, and we were interested in this, this gray zone here, because it was once very good support, and therefore it could be very good resistance to take price lower. Okay, and as you can see, the news made it shoot up. Yeah, for whatever reasons, not important to me. All I know is that buyers took control of this market yesterday and pushed it up, okay? Although this is an interesting level as well. So we were looking in this gray zone, guys. Let's start with the H4. And, we did get a bit of a reaction, really. We started seeing bearish candles, and then we got this bearish red candle, but then price just shot up, okay? And then even if we look at the H1, guys, price even started to break down here. We had this level pinned at the start of the day. Price, started to break this level. And normally, if there wasn't news coming out, we would be interested. But news was coming out. And then just look at the reaction we had. Yeah, it was super bullish. And even when price did come further into the gray zone, we still didn't get, we're looking for a structure break. It did this, but we're looking for something like this, a structure break, and then we can enter. And it just didn't happen, guys. And we just, like I say, waiting for news. We didn't have a trade. It was just one of those days where you need to sit on your hands, which reminds me of the Sit on Your Hands podcast every Tuesday. Check it out. See how I segued in there. And that's the recap, guys. We won't spend too much time on it. Just a sit on your hands day waiting for news. Let's have a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed yesterday's recap, admittedly, it was the briefest recap I've ever done. But if you enjoyed it, then come join the channel, guys. I give you my trade ideas every day, my analysis every day. So why not come join us? Subscribe to the channel right now, guys. Also, smash the notification button so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if everyone could please smash the like button as well, guys. Yeah, really helps support the vid, the channel, everything. So trades for Thursday, the 2nd of November. Before I get started, guys, let me just mention a few things you may be interested in, or you should be interested in. So first of all, guys, we've got the free Discord channel. It's free. Yeah, we've got traders in there sharing knowledge, ideas. We got indicators, psychology, books, useful links, loads of cool things, guys. Come join it. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, we have the VIP Discord channel. Yeah, you do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions about anything you like to do with trading, potentially football. Also, guys, I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. Yeah, we also have 2 other expert traders sharing their trade ideas. We give you exclusive content every single week, and you get access to a performance coach should you need it. And we're test driving a new strategy as well, guys. So loads of value in the VIP Discord. Come join. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, if you would like to be coached one-on-one and learn how to read the charts like I do, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. The email is in the video description. Next, guys, if you watch the live streams every day, if you watch the analysis vids every morning, then you can show your support and love for the channel. You can become a Simply Forex YouTube member. We've got, what have we got? We've got supporter and we've got gold membership. So check it out. There's loads of perks to joining as well. And finally, guys, don't forget, live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. See you then, guys. Get your questions ready. I'm ready for you. Right. So trades for Thursday, the 2nd of November. So we have seen some dollar weakness, come into the market. If we look at a few, US dollar pairs, Aussie dollar, US dollar, we can see some weakness coming in there. What else we got? Pound, US dollar, we can see we've had a big push off this level and it's continued today with pound, US dollar. So some US dollar weakness there, and New Zealand US dollar, again, we're seeing some weakness in the US dollar. But the trades I like with US dollar, first of all, is euro against the US dollar. All right. And why do I like it? Let me explain. So with euro US dollar, guys, let's zoom out a little bit more so we can start the structure back here. So we was in a downtrend. All right. And then, eventually price broke. Okay. So we are now at this point, we are firmly in an uptrend, higher lows, higher highs. Price has come back down to this level, not breaking any lows, has shot back up to this level, not breaking any highs, has shot back down to this level, which basically sums up the markets at the moment. So we have gone from an uptrend stroke range. Okay, so we're now in a range, guys, and the idea would be to come back to the top of the range. Yeah, makes sense, especially if we're in an uptrend stroke range. We're in an uptrend stroke range. We want to enter at the bottom of the range here. Okay, and that's what we plan to do. All right, so we're going to try and take price up to here, which you'll see as a H4 level, if not back to the top of the range. And also, like I say, your job is to find reasons to take the trade. We're at the bottom of a range and we've had this very bullish candle form yesterday. And that is a bullish candle. Don't be, it's a red candle, but that is bullish. Look at the wick. All right. So there you go, guys. That's the reasons we're looking for buys. If we drop down to the H4 now as well, we have had a structure change. So we had this big push up to the top of the range, then it comes shooting down. Okay, and now we've come shooting off the bottom of the range. Yeah, and we've broke this important zone through here, guys. All right, and this last high. So even on H4, we're in an uptrend to me, and we're above the moving average 20. So what are we looking for? Let's have a look at the H1 as well. Yeah, so you can see where price has reacted in this zone before. Yeah, it's reacted a few times. And that's all I'm looking for my grey zones, guys, is the sun's just coming up, guys, and you can barely see me. Let me put my light up so I look like a ghost. I really need some sun. Anyway, but yeah, that's what I'm looking for of a grey zone, guys. Just where price has reacted before, and it should react again. This is the understanding of a support and resistance zone. So yeah, this is our grey zone. This is where we're looking to take buys. So what do I want to see? I want to see price retrace into here. Yeah, we get a bullish reaction, and then we can start buying euro US dollar back up to here or even here, guys. Yeah, so this grey zone I really like. So we'll keep an eye on that. Euro US dollar, looking to buy. And if I do take this trade, I will put this trade in the VIP Discord, my entry, my stop loss, my target, everything. So that's the first US dollar pair we're looking at today. We're also looking at silver. Ahar, my hearties. I have to amuse myself, guys, because I'm going mental, as you can probably tell. Anyway, daily chart. All right. So, yeah, silver, as we know, we've had this, this big push off this level with silver. Okay. All right. And we had such a bullish reaction, as we have with gold as well, guys. All right. And then if we drop down to the day chart, we've, again, potentially a range. Yeah. Because at this point, guys, this is also worth pointing out. We are still in a downtrend at this point. But now we've created this new higher low. Yeah. We're either in an uptrend or a range. Yeah. So if we're in a range, this level is going to keep holding. Yeah. If we break this level, we are clearly in an uptrend. Okay, so the market hasn't quite shown us yet. If it breaks this level, we're in a downtrend. Okay, so it's a real interesting level at the moment. But because of this, high, higher low, haven't created a higher high, but this held and we had a nice bullish reaction off it. And you can see we've got the moving average 20 coming round as well. I think we can take price to the top of this range. Okay, so silver is the next US dollar pair we're looking at. If we go down to the H4 now, we are still in a H4 downtrend currently, which is, worth pointing out. So the first idea would be this, guys, all right? We get a break of this level here, okay, which corresponds with the moving average 20, and these highs where we're seeing a reaction. So if we get a break of this level, retest, we can start buying it back up to here. What a terrible YouTuber. I haven't put in my target. There you go. All right, so there's my target, guys. It will just be back up to the next piece of resistance. You know my targets by now, guys. Yeah, it's not rocket science. What else? Okay, so you can also trade this aggressively. All right, so we are in a H1 uptrend. So at this point, yeah, and then bang, this candle here actually broke this high. So we are in a H1 uptrend. So what could happen is price perhaps comes down to this level, yeah, or it comes down to the moving average 20, somewhere in here, and we get a bullish H1 candle. We could also start, buying there, guys, with a view to taking it higher. Even put your stop down here. So, yeah, these are the options with silver, guys, but looking to buy silver. And what else are we looking at, guys? So, yeah, I've been looking at a lot of the Swiss franc pairs. But before I show you my last trade idea, guys, if I could ask everyone to subscribe to the channel right now, we'd love to have you. Secondly, please smash the like button. And also smash the like button if you think I need some sun. And also, guys, don't forget the cool things that we do. We've got the free Discord channel. We've got the VIP Discord. We have got the mentorship program. And we've got the Simply Forex YouTube membership, guys. All the information's in the video description. Check it out, y'all. And don't forget the live stream, 8 a.m. today. Finally, guys, yeah, so there's lots of Swiss franc weakness coming into the market. If we go to the day chart, I mean, some are more attractive than others, but, New Zealand Swiss franc isn't a trade idea for today. But just look at, how explosive this uptrend is with New Zealand Swiss franc. Any of them, apart from pound Swiss franc, actually. Aussie dollar Swiss franc, look at that. It is just tearing up. Euro Swiss franc tearing up, yeah, technical term, tearing up. But the one I like is Canadian dollar Swiss franc because it represents the best value here. All right, so why do I like it? So this is my final trade idea. Canadian dollar Swiss franc we're looking to buy. So if you look at the larger view, yeah, this is the weekly chart. We are really in a range. Okay, we discussed this in the live stream yesterday, actually. Yeah, and we're at the bottom of the range on a weekly chart. So that would suggest we're going to get some, push up from this level. Okay. If we now drop to the day chart, what I like is how it broke this box of indecision. Okay, so what do I mean by a box of indecision? I spoke about this recently in the VIP Discord. So come join it, guys. All right. But we are in a downtrend at this point. We're in a downtrend. And then basically you've got daily sellers and you have weekly buyers. And the market's like, what to do with itself? It hasn't got a clue. It's more confused than, I don't want to say it, actually. It's confused. All right. So, and you can see that in this price action, guys. Look at that. It becomes a box of indecision or a box of consolidation, whatever you want to call it. As soon as we get a break of that box, yeah, we like this trade, okay? And now price has retraced back to the box. So I really like this area right now. And the idea would be to, take price potentially back up to here. I am wary of the moving average 20, but I still like the setup. So bearing that in mind, guys, if we look at the H4 now, you can just see, you know, this is probably a bit better view of that box of indecision. You know, buyers and sellers are just fighting. That's all they're doing, fighting. It's like Chuck Norris, Steven Seagal, and Bruce Lee, just all fighting in a box. Okay. And we've had a break. Yeah. And now we're getting a retest. So this is the level I really like. So what do I want to see, guys? If I zoom in a bit now, I just want to see a bullish reaction in here, especially with this moving average 20 as well. This could be a really beautiful setup. A bullish reaction on the H4 and or the H1. Yeah. Potentially, you know, an M15 structure break as well. And then we're going to start buying this pair. Yeah, we can start buying it, take some profit here, and then leave some profit to run. So out of all the Swiss franc, guys, Canadian Swiss franc, I really like this level right now. You know, you would be thinking, okay, Tom, if it breaks this level, that is a H4 structure break. I agree with you. Yeah, I hear that. And that would not be ideal. But what we'll probably find, how long we got till the next H4 candle? Yeah, what we'll probably find is we get a wick that closes back into here. And we get a H4 candle that looks like that. That would be ideal. Okay, so we'll keep an eye out for that. Okay, guys. But yeah, those are my trade ideas. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Thursday, the 2nd of November. It's another pretty big news day, guys, really, to be honest. So what's the first piece of news we're interested in? So for me, it's this, guys. It's 7:30 London GMT. We've got the CPI coming out of Switzerland. Okay, so that CAD Swiss franc trade. This is obviously going to impact that, and everyone's looking at inflation, guys. So it's not a 2-star rating. This is a 3-star rating for the Swiss franc. So must be aware of that at 7:30. If we carry on down, again, it's saying a 2-star rating, but I would disagree. At 8:55 London GMT, we've got the German unemployment change and the German unemployment rate. You know, and Germany's the biggest, you know, economy in the euro. So this is going to really affect the euro pairs as well, guys. All right, so must keep an eye out for that. We carry on down. This is the big daddy or big mummy news that we must be aware of, guys. All right. So we have the interest rate decision coming out of the UK. Because of mortgage reasons, I hope this comes down. But anyway, yeah, at 12 o'clock, guys, London GMT, you know, not only do we have the interest rate decision, but all these members voting to cut or raise or hike the rate, etc. This all has a massive impact on the pound pairs as well. So all of this news together is going to be super volatile for any pound pair. If we carry on down, guys, we've also got 12:30 London GMT. We've got the initial jobless claims coming out of the US. So again, this could move any US dollar pairs. And then also this, guys, at 2:15 London GMT, the Bank of England governor speaks. So he's going to discuss, you know, the reasons for the interest rate decision. He's going to have projections, forecasts. So this could also make the pound very volatile. Must be aware of that. And then after that, guys, you are free as a bird. Guys, that's the vid. If you've enjoyed it, please subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to join me for the live stream later on. I'll go get some sun, and I'll see you later.